everyone, today we are going to create more than 100 certificates using mail merge in Microsoft Office Publisher 365. Using mail merge feature in Microsoft Word, you can write a customized letter or flyer to all your customers in one shot. Each letter has the same kind of information, yet the customer content is unique, typically provided by a data source like this. So these are the fields that we inserted so that the data from the source can be displayed here. Today, we will look at the procedure of using mail merge in Microsoft Office Publisher with data from Microsoft Office Excel 365. So let us go ahead and get started. In creating certificates, we need to prepare the following. We need to prepare the template for the certificates using Microsoft Publisher, and of course, our data source. This is our template for our fields. We have the control number, the first field. Second field, we have the first name. Third field, the middle name. Fourth field, surname. And last field is gender. Instead of using female and male, we use possessive pronouns like his and her. Before to merge the data source that we created a while ago in Microsoft Excel, let us locate the source. How? First, click on Mailings, then select Recipients. Choose an existing list, and then let us locate. My data source is located on my desktop, and the file name is Participants. Then, click on the sheet wherein the 5 fields that we created are located. Then you will be seeing this Mail Merge Recipients. Click on OK button. Let us insert fields. How? First, we are going to erase this word name, and I'm going to replace it with the participant's name. Let us insert the first field. Let us click on Insert Merge. Then, we have the 5 fields. I want it to be the first name first, followed by middle name, but I want to have a space between middle name and first name. So I press space bar. Then click middle initial, then a space bar again, then click on surname. So let us see the effect or the result. So these are the field names, and let us click again in mailing tabs, click ABC preview results. So that's it. That is our first participant's name. How about for the gender or for the possessive pronouns like his or her? So we are going to erase this and then replace it with gender. That's it. Andres Bonifacio is a boy or a male, and we are going to use possessive pronoun his. How about for the certificate control number? As you can see, we have here the control number. And then I want to appear the control number allotted for Andres Bonifacio. How? Do the same again. Insert merge field. And then click on control number. Now, let us look at the result. So again, in Mailings tab, to see the next participant's name, let us click on this Preview Results group. Click on this Next Record, and that's it. Our second participant is Josepi Rizal. We have the correct possessive pronoun, his, and then the control number 3. The fourth one, we have this participant. We have different control number, and our possessive pronoun is correct. So in viewing the data source, we may click again on the ABC Preview Results icon. So these are the fields that we used for our certificate. Let us save these certificates into PDF file. How? Let us click on File, then choose Save As, and then let us locate where to save our certificate. So I want it to be on the desktop. Let us use certificate as the file name. And then for the Save As type, we are going to use PDF. Then click on OK. Then click on Save. And here it is. We use Publisher instead of Microsoft Word because when we are saving our template or our Publisher file into PDF1, the names will be having their own certificate like this. Each participant would be provided one certificate. Let us see. So we have this, Andres Bonifacio, Manuel L. Quezon, Jose P. Rizal, Aquino, Arroyo, and take note, we have 218 certificates. And those are the steps in creating certificates using Publisher and Data Source Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something today. See you again into our next learning.